Let me introduce you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another brand new vlog, and in this vlog I'm going to be taking you along with my pregnancy baby bump shoot, which is happening right in my house. And right now we are currently using PCN should in case or peradventure they take their lights. We are going to put on the gen, and I'm going to be doing voiceover because of the noise of the gen. So here I am giving you an intro to this video, and my husband is going to be behind the camera, so you guys should get to see him briefly on this vlog. So you guys, let's get it started. I hope I look good though. I actually wanted a natural look, but then I need to look at least a little bit okay. I did my makeup myself. I did it to the best of my knowledge. I hope it's making sense. So you guys, let's get started. So I'm going to be using two outfits: this dress and a top and a bump short. I hope you guys can hear me. So we are going to get started in a jiffy. This way. Okay.
Oh. Look at the earth you put together. Okay. Small little.
So guys, meet my husband. He's behind the camera. He's my cameraman for today. Say hi to my subscribers.
Hello.
Tell them to subscribe to our channel.
Please subscribe to Potential's
Corner.
Yeah. So.
Like, share, and comment.
Yeah.
You guys will get to see him in a full video. We are going to make a video together.
Yeah.
But before then, we move. Like this shot. Look at the camera. Are we good to go? Second outfit. This one. This is
Which one? Black is white.
okay.
Yeah. What's that?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Wow. Yo. Oh, good. Yeah. Yeah. Wow.
Finally, finer. So guys, we have come to the end of the vlog. We have come to the end of the photo shoot. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. What do you think about my makeup? What do you think about my hair? You guys should have seen a video of my hair, me making my hair, what's it called, a video of my wedding week, getting ready with me, my last minute what's it called, preparation. So you guys check out my hair. What do you think about the length? What do you think about my hair? Comment, let me hear your opinion in the comment section. So you guys follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to like, share, because I'll be posting what's it called, my beautiful baby bump pictures on my Instagram. My handle is usually here or here _Kenzie. You guys follow me, and I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye guys.